welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on a new fragrance to me that I purchased about a month ago and I have been using obsessively because it is so good. We are going to be talking about the Tokyomilk Dark Femme Fatale Tainted Love fragrance. If you guys have known me or followed me for a while, you know that I really love deeper, woodier, spicier scents. I do tend to go for the more fresh and floral and fruity, but not so much during the fall and winter time. This perfume, you guys. Oh, first of all, let's talk about the actual stats of this perfume. So this is a 1.6 fluid ounce fragrance. It retails for $42 on Sephora.com. Tokyomilk also has a bunch of other fragrances, but this one is by far my favorite. Packaging is gorgeous. It comes in a textured box like this. You have your name and then the notes down here, but I mean, look at this. This is a pink, this is all matte black, and you open it up and then again you get that gorgeous packaging. So the bottle looks like this, and the notes in here are dark vanilla bean, orchid, white tea, and sandalwood. So you get that vanilla warmth, but at the same time it's not sickly sweet because it's brought down by the tea, the sandalwood, and you still get a hint of floral with the orchid, but it's a deeper floral. I can't describe to you guys how much I love this perfume. It almost reminds me of like tobacco, pipe tobacco, but not in that really gross pipe way. How do I describe this? It smells like fresh vanilla, smoky, delicious tobacco. And for some people that might sound absolutely horrifying, but for those like me who like deeper scents, you guys need to try this. It is so good. I have been wearing this fragrance for, like I said, about a month now, and I already am like way down here. I love it so much. This is super, super long lasting. You only have to spritz it 1 to 2 times on your body and it lasts all day long. I've gotten so many compliments on this fragrance. I've gotten questions constantly about what I'm wearing because it's such a unique scent. It's not a scent where it can be confused with other scents. When you're wearing this, it's very distinct, and I personally like that. So if you guys have not heard of Tokyomilk Dark, I really, really, really recommend going to Sephora and testing it out or just picking it up. I love the fact that it's only $42 for 1.6 fluid ounces because it's still on the lower end of perfumes, but the quality is way, way up there. If you are fans of scents like the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Grey or the Nirvana Bourbon, you're gonna really enjoy this one. So like I said, I can't speak highly enough. The packaging is stunning. The bottle is stunning. The scent is obviously stunning, and you're gonna see this in my February favorites video. It's gonna be there, you guys. I mean, this is one of my new like holy grail scents. It's so good. I wanted to pop on and do this review of this fragrance because currently at Sephora they are doing a 3 times the points on fragrances, men's and women's. So it's definitely the time to pick up a fragrance when you get 3 times the points. 3 times the points is quite a bit, and I don't see that happen on Sephora very often. So definitely take advantage of this, even if it's only to try this out, because I promise you, if you like those types of scents, this will be something that you will absolutely love. I almost also feel like this can be a unisex scent because of how deep and warm it is. I could easily see a gentleman wearing this. Oh yeah. I feel like it's a unisex scent. It's not marketed as one, but I feel like it absolutely could be. If you guys do go and try this fragrance out, please let me know down below and tell me what you think. Also, if you have already tried this out or already own it, definitely know what you think down below. I want to see how many people have actually heard of Tokyomilk Dark because it is such an underrated brand, I feel, and I really don't hear it talked about pretty much at all. So that is my review. I give this 5 out of 5 stars. It is perfect as far as scent, longevity, scent notes, scent power, everything. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know this was an insanely fast video, but I'm trying to throw these little bits and reviews in here and there just to give you guys a little bit of something different. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Again, if you guys have tried this or want to try it or whatever, just comment down below to say hi, because I love saying hi to you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm really glad that you stopped by and I hope you stay. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until next time, guys, I will talk to you later.